Hello, my name is Perla Estrella, and this is my professional goals slideshow. Okay, so to introduce myself again, my name is Perla Estrella. I am a radiation therapy student at Centered for Allied Health Education, short for CAHE. This field has been something, well, I've always been interested in the medical field. When I first went to college, I was in radiology. Then I switched to nursing, and from nursing, I discovered radiation therapy, which is actually what I've wanted to do for quite some time. I changed majors because I had a very, my little sister was diagnosed with leukemia, and unfortunately, she did not make it, but that made me a stronger person and pushed me towards the direction of radiation therapy. Uh, I have years of experience being a receptionist in this field. It's helped me better understand different people and how to properly deal with each person individually, because there's so many different types of temperaments that I encountered in my field, and I've learned over the years how to deal with each type of person, as well as scheduling, which starting our clinicals, I realized that we do a lot of that for our patients. So I hope that my years of being a receptionist carry over into that. The months I've spent here as a CAHE student have molded me into becoming an amazing radiation therapist. The more I learn, the more I fall in love with this field. There's, it's hard, it's challenging, but it's so rewarding, and I'm falling in love with it even more. I'm excited to add value to the radiation therapy field, and I look forward to completing this program. And hopefully, I get to treat patients. I mean, I am doing that now in clinicals, but it's different when you actually have completed the program. You have CAHE has an amazing staff, and I'm very excited to implement my learnings in the real world. My career first and foremost, I will get my certificate to become a radiation therapist. I'm super motivated. I'm super excited to start. So I don't think there's anything right now that can stop me. I will get my certificate or license in contrast administration to save my team some time with our workflow. I did notice that we had to get the doctor or nurse every time we needed add IV or contrast to our patients. Just to speed up the process, I would love to help with that. Hopefully, I have the blessing to become a lead therapist at my hospital, whatever future hospital I work at. I did have the pleasure to meet the lead therapist at Brooklyn Methodist, and he's an amazing person. He takes his time out of his busy schedule to teach us, which, us in we're just there for our clinical rotations, and he actually cares about us, and he knows so much, so knowledgeable. I hopefully I will be able to be a lead therapist myself and give back to future radiation therapists. Lastly, the pleasure to eventually teach future radiation therapists how to be the best, like I am learning now. I do feel like I'm getting the best education here at CAHE. Everything that I've learned, I've already implemented in the field. There's nothing that I've doubted them in. It's just an amazing experience. Why radiation therapy? Like I stated earlier, I did lose my younger sister to cancer when she was only 17 years old. She passed away. My family was not prepared for that, but the oncology team helped my family get through that tough time. And that honestly, that's the main reason. I want to be that pillar for another family like they were for ours. We'll never forget them. They're still part of our family today. And it's just that feeling that they gave us. I never forgot it. And I hope someday to do that for someone else. In closing, I am a future radiation therapist, and with the goal to grow our field to be an even better one. Thank you.